Hello everyone, my name is Lee from the Motorbike Station, Vietnam. Ladies and gentlemen, after nearly 10 years of operation, the Motorbike Station has received 6 international awards. Traveler's Choice from TripAdvisor with over 1,200 5-star reviews. On TripAdvisor, nearly 3,000 5-star reviews on Google Maps and other platforms. Ladies and gentlemen, experiencing riding a motorbike in Vietnam or other Southeast Asian countries is one of the most valuable experiences you should try at least once when visiting Vietnam or Southeast Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, since 2022, we have introduced a line of electric motorbikes to serve tourists who do not have a motorbike license. And this has been widely embraced by international tourists, welcomed, and has become a flagship product, a good product that many brothers and sisters renting motorbikes in Vietnam are using, providing to international tourists when they come to Vietnam. From that success, in 2025, we bring you 2 new products with the most outstanding features available. The vehicle can travel a distance of up to 200 or even 300 kilometers without needing 4 to 6 hours of charging at hotels or charging stations. The vehicle connects with smart applications. This helps you manage the use of the vehicle and even charge your phone while using the vehicle. The vehicle has been upgraded with the strongest braking system, expanded to be able to carry 3 or even 4 family members. With these improvements, we bring you a product price most affordably on the market at only 120,000 VND or $4.8 per day. Come to the Motorbike Station, Vietnam. Experience riding a motorbike in Vietnam without worrying about a license. Let us have the opportunity to serve you in 2025. Thank you, and see you soon.